Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into a comprehensive tutorial on domain-driven design, DDD, within an ASP.NET Core application, complete with code examples. What we'll cover: 1. Introduction to DDD*. What is it, why use it, core concepts. 2. Problem domain*. Setting the stage with a simple example, a book lending library. 3. Building blocks*. Entities, value objects, aggregates, repositories, services, etc. 4. Structuring the ASP.NET Core project*. Layered architecture for separation of concerns. 5. Implementation details*. Code examples for each building block. 6. Persistence*. Using Entity Framework Core. 7. Application layer*. API controllers and command/query handlers. 8. Example workflow*. Demonstrating a use case from start to finish. 9. Advanced considerations*. DDD concepts like events, eventual consistency, and cqrs, command query responsibility segregation. 10. Conclusion. 1. Introduction to domain-driven design, DDD. DDD is not a specific technology or framework, but rather a set of principles and practices for developing software that closely mirrors the complexities of the business domain it is intended to serve. Key concepts*. Domain*. The specific subject area or industry to which the software applies, example finance, healthcare, e-commerce. Ubiquitous language*. A common language used by developers and domain experts to avoid misunderstandings. This language should be reflected in the code. Bounded context*. A specific responsibility area within the overall domain, with its own model and language. A single concept, example product, may have different meanings in different contexts, example catalog versus order management. Entity*. An object with a unique identity that persists over time. Example a book with a specific ISBN. Value object*. An immutable object that is defined by its attributes, not its identity. Example an address consisting of street, city, and postal code. Aggregate*. A cluster of associated objects that are treated as a single unit. One entity serves as the aggregate root and is the only point of access from outside the aggregate. Example an order which includes order items, where you interact with the order and not directly with order items. Repository*. An abstraction over the data access layer. It provides a collection-like interface for accessing aggregates. Domain service*. A stateless operation that involves multiple entities or aggregates and doesn't naturally belong on any single entity. Handles complex domain logic. Application service*. Exposes the domain logic to the outside world, example to an API. Orchestrates the work of domain objects and services. Does not contain business logic itself. Why use DDD? Better alignment with business*. DDD promotes a deeper understanding of the business domain, resulting in software that meets actual needs more effectively. Improved maintainability*. The well-defined structure and clear separation of concerns make the code easier to understand, modify, and test. Reduced complexity*. DDD can help manage complexity by breaking down large problems into smaller, more manageable bounded contexts. Long-term scalability*. DDD's focus on domain modeling makes it easier to evolve the software as the business changes. When to consider DDD*. DDD is most beneficial for complex domains with significant business logic. Systems with long life cycles and evolving requirements. Asterisk applications where collaboration between developers and domain experts is crucial. DDD can be overkill for asterisk simple CRUD applications. Asterisk rapid prototypes where speed of development is the primary concern. 2. Problem domain, book lending library. Let's imagine we're building a system for managing a book lending library. Here are some key aspects of the domain. Asterisk books asterisk have an ISBN, title, author, publication date, and a collection of copies. Asterisk copies asterisk each physical copy of a book has a unique ID. Asterisk members asterisk library members have an ID, name, address, and can borrow books. Asterisk loans asterisk track which member borrowed which book copy and when it was borrowed and returned. Asterisk reservations asterisk members can reserve books that are currently unavailable. Ubiquitous language examples asterisk ISBN, instead of book ID. Asterisk loan, instead of borrowing transaction. Asterisk reservation, instead of hold request. 3. Building blocks. Let's start defining our DDD building blocks for the book lending library. Entities asterisk book, represents a book title, author, ISBN, etc., identified by ISBN. Asterisk copy, represents a physical copy of a book, identified by a unique ID. Asterisk member, represents a library member, identified by ID. Asterisk loan, represents the act of borrowing a book, identified by a composite key of member and copy. Asterisk reservation, represents a request for a book, identified by a composite key of member and book. Value objects asterisk address, represents the address of a member, street, city, postal code. Asterisk author, represents an author. First name, last name. Aggregates asterisk book, the book entity is the aggregate root. Copy entities belong to the book aggregate. This means you access copies only through the book aggregate. Asterisk member, the member entity is an aggregate root. Loans and reservations can be associated with a member but managed through the member aggregate. Repositories asterisk iBook repository, for accessing and persisting book aggregates. Asterisk iMember repository, for accessing and persisting member aggregates. Domain services asterisk loan service, handles the logic for lending and returning books, enforcing business rules. Asterisk reservation service, handles the logic for managing reservations. 4. Structuring the ASP.NET Core project. We'll use a layered architecture to separate concerns. Explanation asterisk core asterisk contains the domain model, entities, value objects, aggregates, and interfaces for repositories and domain services. This layer is independent of any specific technology. Asterisk infrastructure asterisk contains the implementation of the interfaces defined in the core layer. This typically includes the data access logic, using Entity Framework Core or another ORM. Asterisk application asterisk contains application services, DTOs, data transfer objects, and command/query handlers. This layer orchestrates the domain logic and exposes it to the presentation layer. Asterisk Web API asterisk contains the ASP.NET Core API controllers that handle HTTP requests. It's responsible for receiving requests, validating input, and returning responses. 5. Implementation details, code examples. 5.1 core/domain/value objects/address.cs. 5.2 core/domain/entities/book.cs 5.3 core/domain/entities/copy.cs 5.4 core/domain/entities/member.cs 5.5 core/domain/entities/loan.cs 5.6 core/domain/entities/reservation.cs 5.7 core/domain/interfaces/repositories/iBookRepository.cs 5.8 core/domain/interfaces/repositories/iMemberRepository.cs 5.9 core/domain/services/loanservice.cs 6. Persistence, Entity Framework Core 6.1 Infrastructure/Data/Library Context.cs 6.2 Infrastructure/Data/Repositories/Book Repository.cs 6.3 Infrastructure/Data/Repositories/Member Repository.cs 7. Application Layer 7.1 Application/Services/Book App Service.cs 7.2 Application/Services/Member App Service.cs 7.3 Application/DTO/Book DTO.cs 7.4 Application/DTO/Member DTO.cs 7.5 Application/Command/Lend Book Command.cs 7.6 Application/Command/Return Book Command.cs 7.7 Application/Queries/Get Book Details Query.cs 7.8 Application/Queries/Get Member Details Query.cs 7.9 Application/Handlers/Lend Book Handler.cs 7.10 Application/Handlers/Return Book Handler.cs 7.11 Application/Handlers/Get Book Details Handler.cs 7.12 Application/Handlers/Get Member Details Handler.cs 8. Web API, Presentation Layer 8.1 Web API/Controllers/Books Controller.cs Sharp Using Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.MVC Using Library App.Application.Services Using Library App.Application.DTOs Using System Using System.Collections.Generic Using Library App.Application.Queries Using Mediatar Namespace Library App.Web API.Controllers API Controller Root API/Controller Public Class Books Controller Controller Base Private Read-Only Book App Service _Book App Service Private Read-Only iMediator_Mediator Public Books Controller Book App Service iMediator Mediator _Book App Service equals Book App Service _Mediator equals Mediator